Okay, let's go. Nervous about taking this is a shame. So it says to take 2 tablespoons after every meal of each. Father, I'm gonna need something to drink, Jesus. Hold on, Lord. Oh, can I take this with soda? I don't know. I feel like I need something. Woo. Okay, hold on. Okay, don't judge me. I don't have any juice. Okay. It said take 2 tablespoons. It's like 2 o'clock in the day, and I'm just gonna take 1 tablespoon of each. Oh, Father! Mm. I just needed a swig or something with some flavor. I'm gonna drink water, y'all. Calm down. Not enough flavor. Friends. I need some gum. If I stick with this, it will definitely be of the Lord. But I'm saying, y'all's reviews be so for real. Oh, but I'm gonna give it a try. Bless the Lord. I'll update you on my journey.